guys, introduce myself. My name is Rini. Real name C1A024004. Your three-step guide to setting better boundaries at work. Intro. I'm Drafts host. The job is to help people create healthier relationship. And let me tell you, it can be really help to tell someone what you need. It takes a lot of courage to stand up and say, "This is the way I want to treat." Most of us run so great at vocalizing to the people in our reading what makes us feel responded and valued. What makes us feel responded and valued? It's true with friends, family, partner, and it's also through our work. You have got to set our boundaries. Boundaries can be intimidation, trying, but say you feel simply the expression and needs that help you feel safe and comfortable in relationship. What is the relationship we spend the most time in, and yet also the place hard, hard time setting limits. Where are straight people want a see a team player or a player have boundaries, but you like the time your work begins and know and how many vacation day you can have. But what boundaries to two-way street boundaries for your employer and boundaries for you. Setting time can help you feel refreshed and more fulfilled in your life. Not to mention less exhausted and environment at work. We often assume that other people have the same rules for life as we do. We think they can tell our reference for life as we do. We tell they can tell our reference and know our feelings from our body language, but no one, not the people you know where you do, and certainly not your child, certainly your mind. You have to especially start where you need communication. What works for us is one of the things then we can do. The short term is for is a word for the long is for bigi boundary in the frog. Step 2. Identify your boundaries. Here are share steps to help you get straight. There are so many different kits. For example, you can just call you what hours you are and are available to work. You can set that you need to leave the office promptly at 5 to pick up your children, to pick up her child. You log off on the weekend to really recharge. You can tell them how you recommend by talking by phone. Add scan instant messaging to texting. Especially with your voice, you can set boundaries on how you leave feedback. You can say a what this with called that list. Can you please set one? Or you tell them you like writing notes on your work so you have time to digest to feedback. You can set boundaries on how you interact with people socially. For example, it makes me feel uncomfortable when you share gossip and not, or no, I'm not interested in drinks after work, but I love go to a yoga. You can even set boundaries around your calendar and ask that people ask you before throwing a meeting on the ask you for it to be able to your daily slow. Set to think about when you set boundaries. Boundaries are like can you please set one? Or you tell them you like writing notes on your work so you have time to digest to feedback. You can set boundaries on how you interact with people socially. For example, it makes me feel uncomfortable when you share gossip and not, or no, I'm not interested in drinks after work, but I love go to a yoga. You can even Set boundaries, upfront your calendar and ask that people ask you before throwing a meeting. Only ask you for it to be able to your daily flow. Set 2. Think about when you set boundaries. Boundaries are like scandalous. You want to set them as rarely as possible. People do it all the time in the job seeking process. They may something like, I have vacation planned for this dates. Will I be able to check my vacation if we can go into a new environment and with people already knowing what we can do? That's beautiful. Why do stuff up? If that feels like too much, our occasions can be a great time to set boundaries. When your supervisor tells you to work day and a sick, just log in, that's perfect. When you're one boundary and when you set right to take every single day of vacation, you and it you need the rest and rescuing is good for work-life balance. And by the way, it's perfectly acceptable to set boundaries for yourself when you know something in the work day is making you feel good. So if you get happy when you have the meeting in day, tell yourself that you will be your maximum. If you get instant response to emails no one day morning, don't first thing. Breaks, it up and have her increment throughout the day. I have to set a boundaries on my work. For me, I like working in 30 minutes chunks. I don't like answering email as soon I get. I like setting with the information before I respond. You have to set in motion there's new habits and practices that will make you feel at the sea. Step 3. Stick to boundaries and now come the most important part of the process. If you say you're not available after 6, don't respond to the group chat. If you say you're not available on weakness when you respond to email or agree to look at the proposal out of those boundaries, you have teaching people that the boundaries are real. That is okay to float it constantly is really hard. That make me restarting the boundaries more to 10 ounce. That make me refunding yourself with use that boundary in the first place. It help the first, but the more you do it, the exceed the gates. Boundaries are contagious. On you start to constantly implement them, heart will too. You make it the inspiration that help them set better boundaries, even if they don't have the scar now. It's now in the back of mind.